guys, hope you're okay, hope you're doing well, and if you're new, welcome to this channel. So today's video we have a try-on haul for you guys. If you saw our previous video, we did a Zara unboxing, so we just thought we'd try on those items for you guys to see how they fit and how they look. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So first items, I've already put them on just to make life easier. We have the pair of shorts that I was talking about, the grey paper bag ones. I really like the fit personally. I feel like it's not too fitted, but it sits on your body quite nicely, high-waisted, and you can sit yourself in with the belt that it comes with. So yeah, I think this is definitely a keeper. And then this was the white racer top. I got 3 colors, white being one of them. Love the way it sits. Yeah, ribbed, really nice, feels durable. So yeah, all in all, I think I'm happy with these first 2 items. Yeah, anything you want to add?
Well, I think you said it all.
Yeah, to be honest.
I mean, paper bag waists are classics, aren't they?
Yeah, they will be around.
Yeah, I like the fact that it's grey and not the obvious blue. I like the fact that it's baggy and it's not tight. I think it allows it not to be too... the tag.
Yeah.
The tag is stuck in your back in an awkward way. Yeah, takes away from the top. Yeah, but like you said, I think it's a classic just for when the sun is out and it's hot.
Yeah, that's really good. I think the one thing is that if we obviously go to Primark and we find ones that are a little bit, because I think especially with white racer tops, you're bound to get new ones all the time because they're not going to last you. So if we can find something cheaper on Primark, I may opt out of this one. But all in all, love how everything fits. So yeah, these are the first 2 items. Next up is this marigold sort of vest top. Yeah, I like this color. And it's slightly different to the other one in that it's not ribbed. It's just, I guess, a stretchy-ish fabric. Yeah, fits quite nicely. Yeah, not really much to say about it really. I think it will really work well during the summer. But yeah, this is the back. Yeah, so this was another one of the tops. This is the next top that we had in the haul. This one isn't racer like the white one, it's just a normal vest top as well, ribbed as well. It has this cute little pocket on the left hand side, but yeah, really nice and simple. In honesty, the color is very it's not giving me much, so I don't know if it's something that I really want to keep. I don't know if it's the best. I don't know how it even looks on camera, but
can you untuck it and let's see the length?
Yeah, so this isn't cropped. I don't think this one is kind of normal, really.
Normal top, okay. Yeah. And tuck it back in. Let's see.
Yeah. Oh, what else can I do? Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe I'm biased.
But you like it out?
No. I do like it. I don't know. Sometimes I feel like when everybody's wearing a particular thing, it stops being nice and unique and different. So even though the racer top is in, I almost like this one because it's not a racer top. Yeah, if that makes sense. So I like it. It's like your classic, like you were saying. But funny enough, it has a little bit of like a curve in the back. Oh, yeah. So it gives you the racer in the back, which is quite good and quite smart. I like that a lot because looking up front, it looks like just your standard, top vest. But when you turn, then it gives you the racer. Yeah. I think if I was choosing, I'd probably go with this. Yeah.
And you do like the color as well?
Yeah, for some reason, pink does suit you,
Okay.
Yeah.
Interesting. So yeah. I like how wide the bands are because obviously, for those of us who need wide strap bras, it's like it works. Yeah. So yeah, this was one of the tops.
Yeah.
So yeah. This is the next top. Same as the white one, to be honest. But the color of this is more of a purple magenta. The first vest I showed you, or one before, was a bit more pink. But yeah, just another simple, nice lace top. I'll show you the back, if the back is here. And so yeah, that's this top. I do like the color of it, and yeah, I'm here for racer cut, so there you have it. Okay.
I think this is better than any of.
That's what I was about to say.
Yeah.
I think t-shirts are just for me.
Okay.
I think they just make more sense than anything. Yeah, slightly cropped, which is nice, and the shorts, I like the color. Yeah. So yeah, I think they just suit me the best.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah,
Totally.
So yeah,
it's tasteful. I think it also comes back to the fact that I know this generation is into they are all, you know, all tied and all revealing, but there's just something about leaving, what do you call it?
Things to the imagination. Not to
leaving things to the imagination. It's just so tasteful.
It just looks, at the moment I put it on, I said that this one tops everything.
Yeah.
So yeah, I really like this t-shirt as well from Zara. I think it was like £5 as well. So
isn't the tag on it? We still have the tag on it.
I don't know if I can see it. But yeah,
I'm sure we can put the price on there.
Yeah.
So how much?
In fact, if they are online, I'll see if I can link it. Oh, £6, so £5.99.
Yeah.
Really nice t-shirt. Really like it. Yeah. So
okay. So maybe I was right with the pink, because the pink too is a classic, and it looked like decent and tasteful on you. So
yeah. Alright,
there we go.
On to the next one. This is the dress that we showed in the video. We did show some other two, I mean something similar in the previous video in other colors, but this sort of shift dressed 90s vibe is really, for me, the cut and everything just really works. Yeah, I really like it. The color, perfect, length, everything. So yeah.
I think like we said before, classics, you can't go wrong with classics, and I think some body types are good for classics, you know, and I think maybe
that's probably me.
Yeah, you suit classics more than anything. I know in our last video somebody was saying that you didn't suit any of it. I beg to differ on that one. Someone would say I'm biased because I'm your mother, but the body counts, I totally agree. I didn't like it one bit, but I think the classic ones, you really suited it. Yeah. Unless the person is a hater. If you're a hater, you can stay away. We just love people who like us.
So yeah, really, yeah, I'm happy with this dress. Really like the way it fits. So yeah, that's the dress.
I like it.
This is another dress that we showed. Wait, showed? Is that English? Anyway, on the
channel. It was a previous one, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's from 2020, so obviously you may not be able to find it, but we thought we'd show it to you anyway. A really nice halter neck green dress. I like the ditzy floral print on it, and the little tear it's got going on. Can they see it, or am I hosting today?
Oh no, it's fine.
Oh, okay.
It's fine.
Yeah, I think Mom was saying that halter necks really do suit me, and I think
it's because we naturally have like a straight square shoulder thing, and thank God. Yeah, and you have to thank your mother for it.
Side and then obviously the back.
The back.
So yeah, really nice and simple dress. So yeah, that is this dress. So these are the shoes that we had in the video as well. Sort of these Bottega style mules.
Yeah, like your feet is not in properly.
Oh, like it's not showing properly.
Your feet is...
It's not in the shoe properly. Oh. So it should be like this? Or should good before?
Let's see. Well, you can't get it in any further. Oh.
No, I feel like that's quite
okay, cool then.
Yeah.
I thought you had done that deliberately. Okay.
So yeah, that's the shoe. Hopefully you guys can see it well enough. But yeah, like the pink colour. It's like a bubblegum sort of pink. I like the heel heights. Everything about it is just...
It's bubblegum, but it has a hint of salmon.
Right, yeah. right inside. Yeah, I think I'm really happy with them and how they pair up with these jeans as well.
Yeah, they go nicely with your outfit.
Yeah,
They're very nice.
that's all. Next, on to the next shoe. Next pair of shoes, these Bottega sandals, dupes anyway, in green. Same as the pink, but yeah, just a really nice rich green color. Again, square toe is just a vibe, to be honest. They actually retail for $55.99 for anyone who was wondering the price. But yeah, if you were looking for that Bottega dupe, then $55.99 isn't that bad. So yeah, again,
I like it for the color, the heel height.
Yeah,
the quilted, it's not quilted, but it's like, you know, the
cushion,
squishy, yeah.
Padded, yeah.
Is it comfortable? Does it feel very comfortable?
Very comfortable.
Okay.
Very comfortable.
Is there any padding in the sole?
In the sole, yes,
Yeah.
there is. Yeah.
Okay.
But slight, very slight. It's not too much. But yeah, all in all, really like these shoes as well.
It's quite, I don't know, maybe because I liked them, I'm biased with my
What, these ones?
my opinion or my
I can't lie, the moment I put them on, I preferred it, I think, already, to the ones that don't have the thong.
I'm even talking more about when it's lying there, the colors look so loud, and it's like, okay, what am I going to do with this? But when you put them on, they actually look very nice.
Oh, yeah.
And they even complement the trousers. It's like, you know.
Yeah. So with these ones, the color is more, how would you describe it? Not lime.
It's a lime green with a hint of yellow, isn't it?
Yeah. So this is how the shoe would look without the buckle, what I'm trying to show without.
Yeah.
Which I think would look really nice as a slipper sandal.
Let me see the side here, please. Yeah. So it looks like your standard thong sandal, isn't it? With a bit of a heel.
And then with this sandal, this is how it would look with.
Wow. That looks nice.
Yeah. I really like this one in comparison to the other two. Personally.
Really?
Yeah. Really do.
You've never liked the Andy type of shoes anyway,
Yeah.
so maybe that could be it.
Yeah. I mean,
why do you like it? Is it the style, comfort, or what?
Yeah, actually, do you know what? Those are more comfortable, I would say. Because I think for me, even just having the thong there is a bit jarring. But I think, I don't know what it is about it. It just makes my feet look, I'm not really a fan of feet, do you know what I mean? But I just feel like it makes them look better. I don't know.
Okay. Maybe I understand what you mean. Yeah, because it's the thing I was talking about, foot cleavage.
Right.
Where certain shoes are made so that your feet look slender.
Yes.
You see, so now your toes are exposed, they're looking longer, whereas the other one...
yeah, it's like they
cut it short.
Yeah.
So
and I already have quite thick, short, stubby toes, so I just need things that, you know, make them look as if...
At least now you know what suits and what doesn't.
Yeah.
So when you're buying something, you can...
I don't know. Yeah.
I'm impressed. I thought that I'll just, pick them up and see how they look, but now I'm probably considering, you know, I don't know, maybe keeping them all.
So yeah, that is this pair of shoes. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are also wondering, the black top that you probably wanted to see, it is the same as the white. We just didn't show both.
She's worn it and she can't find where she's...
Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video nonetheless. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Comment down below your favorite items, and yeah, hopefully we'll see you in the next one. If it fits,
feel free and have fun styling it. But I was gonna say, nowadays Nisha doesn't even allow me to say anything. I was gonna say that now it's gone. Yeah, I think some people are wondering what times we upload and what
it's quite
our system is like. Because we said that this channel is going to be a styling channel, our main focus is the styling. However, to style, you need pieces to style, obviously. Right. So, hence we pick up pieces from shops that can be available to you, so that if you want to style them, you can get access to it as well. But what tends to happen is that sometimes when we're doing the try-ons, it becomes so long that we do just the unboxing and do the try-on later. But we're hoping to do both at the same time, and then hopefully style it later on so that you get to see it. So you probably have 2 videos, one for styling and one for try-ons.
So yeah, there you have it, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.